Another day, another earthquake has hit Kershaw County. The South Carolina Emergency Management Division has confirmed a 2.1 magnitude earthquake hit the Elgin area at 1:46 this morning. This marks the fifth earthquake to hit Elgin this month and the second to hit Elgin just this week. And there's a new study that could link why there are so many earthquakes, a swarm as they're called. According to this new report from the American Geophysical Union, the recent earthquakes that we're seeing are actually aftershocks from an earthquake that happened 140 years ago. There was a massive earthquake with a magnitude of 6.7 or 7.3 that hit Charleston and, of course, destroyed many of the historic buildings in the downtown area.